Time for the weather now. And Tom, the wet start to 2023 continued for Sydney today.
Yes, Juanita, we saw a few torrential downpours across the city today, and severe thunderstorms continue right now over the far north of the state. Starting with Sydney's radar, a few showers around early this morning, then a band of heavy rain and storms for the inner west and the city around lunchtime that then expanded to the north during the afternoon. The showers have now eased. Since 9 a.m, the top fall 45 millimetres at Observatory Hill. And there's currently a few light falls just down around the airport, where only 1 millimetre has fallen today. And severe thunderstorms dropped up to 127 millimetres in the north of the state. Right now, the most intense activity has contracted up towards the Queensland border. And across the border, Brisbane was struck by a ferocious storm. The CBD smashed by 50 millimetres in just 1 hour. Today's cloud and rain combined with southerly winds to keep Sydney's maximum to just 21, and that was 5 below average and the coldest day in 3 weeks. Penrith's high of 22 was 8 below average. Last night's minimums were near average in the northeast, but below average right across the south and the west of the state. Maximums today were below average in most locations. Moss Vale 16 was 8 below the average. On the satellite, and an outbreak of severe thunderstorms can be seen across northern New South Wales and also southeast Queensland. And a massive cloud across the north is associated with a tropical low. On tomorrow's chart, a pair of troughs will weaken and move away from New South Wales, and as a result, the showers and storms will ease. Around the country tomorrow, chance of a thunderstorm for Brisbane, warming up in the south, 31 for Melbourne and 35 degrees for Adelaide. Here's the rain forecast. Storms over the north will dissipate tonight. And tomorrow, only isolated showers and storms will return to the far north coast and ranges. The forecast now, a mostly dry day for the Hunter, the risk of showers for the eastern tablelands and the mid-north coast, and the chance of showers and thunderstorms for the northern rivers. For the southeast, partly cloudy for the Illawarra with a slight chance of a shower. Mostly sunny for the south coast and the southern ranges. We'll have warmer northerly winds and maximums in the mid to high 20s. Across the west, a mild night followed by a warm and sunny day. Northerly winds lifting maximums to the mid-30s. On the waters, winds from 15 to 20 knots and seas in the range of 1 to 1.5 metres. Now for Sydney, a few showers tonight, mostly clearing tomorrow, partly cloudy, just the slight risk of a shower in the morning. 19 to 27 the temperature range for the city, 24 the top for Bondi and 28 for Liverpool. The sun will rise at 6:28 a.m. and set at 7:50. And later this week, a heat wave is ahead for Sydney, but also most of New South Wales, starting on Thursday, 28, but up to 33 degrees in the west. Then we're climbing up to 30 degrees on Friday. The peak of the heat will be Saturday. We can see up to 38 degrees in the west ahead of a weak southerly on Sunday, Juanita.
Thanks, Tom. 7:30 is next.